Welcome to Fun and Easy Chinese by ChineseClass101.com. Hi, 大家好，我是李音如。Hi everyone, YINRU LEE here. Do you know any interjections in Chinese? Interjections are words and phrases that are used to express comprehension and to show feelings and emotions. Interjections in English includes words like wow, ew, oops, gosh, and so on. In Chinese, there are quite a few words and phrases like these as well. They are very expressive, and you don't have to be totally fluent in Chinese to be able to use them, but they sure do make you sound very native. In this lesson, you will learn some of the most commonly used interjection phrases in Chinese. 什么？天哪，不会吧？真的吗？太好了，讨厌，烦死了，吓死我了。First one, 什么？什么？什么？什么 means what? It can be used to ask someone to repeat what they said, or it can be used to express surprise. 什么 When your friend calls you the last minute and tells you that he can't make it to your birthday party, you can say to him, 什么？你不来了 What? You're not coming? 什么？你不来了 Your next one, 天哪，天哪，天哪，天哪。天哪 is another interjection to show surprise. It is the equivalent of oh my gosh in English. 天 means sky or heaven. 那 is a particle that is attached to the end of a word or a phrase to show strong emotions. 天哪 So imagine you're shopping at a luxury store. You see something really nice and you pick it up, you check the price, and of course the price is outrageous. In this case, you may say, 天哪，这么贵 Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. 天哪，这么贵不会吧，不会吧，不会吧 It literally means it can't be possible, but it's often translated as no way. This is another interjection to show surprise. 不会吧 Compared to 天哪 Oh my gosh, we just mentioned. 不会吧 emphasizes on the skepticism or disappointment, while 天哪 focuses more on the emotion of being shocked. Say your brother tells you that he doesn't know who Brad Pitt is. You can tell him, 不会吧，你不知道布拉德皮特 No way you don't know Brad Pitt? Did you notice the Chinese translation for Brad Pitt? 布拉德皮特 So each consonant in the English pronunciation becomes a syllable in Chinese with intonation. So together, 不会吧，你不知道布拉德皮特。真的吗？真的吗？真的吗 means really. It is said to make sure something is true. It's often a response with excitement. 真的吗 For example, your cousin is getting married. You are a little surprised by this news, but you're so happy for her. So you can say to her, 真的吗？恭喜恭喜 Really? Congratulations. 真的吗？恭喜恭喜太好了太好了太好了太好了 literally means too good, but it's often translated as great or awesome. It is also used to respond to something exciting. 太好了 When you step on a scale and find that you have lost weight, which is what you wanted, you can say, 太好了，我瘦了。It's great, I lost weight. 太好了，我瘦了。讨厌，讨厌，讨厌。讨厌 literally means to hate or annoying, but the connotation and tone in Chinese is not as strong. It is used when annoyed by someone's behavior or comment. But keep in mind, 1. 讨厌 is often used by girls. And 2. When girls say 讨厌, chances are they mean the very opposite, meaning they are actually liking what you said or did, but they're too embarrassed to admit it. So guys, I know girls are hard to figure out, but if you're not sure what the girl means by saying 讨厌, see if she is smiling. If she is, you're probably safe. 烦死了 literally means to annoy to death. You could be 烦死了 by a situation or a person. For example, every time you visit your parents, they ask about when you're bringing home a boyfriend. And in this case, you may say to them, 你们别问了，烦死了. Meaning, you guys stop asking, it's so annoying. 你们别问了，烦死了. Even though the word 死 meaning to be dead or death is almost a taboo in Chinese, it is still a very frequently used word in everyday language in order to show the extreme degree of a certain emotion or action. Here are some more interjections with the word 死. 吓死我了. It literally means to be scared to death, but it's more like I got so scared. 吓死我了. 笑死我了. Pay attention, it's 笑, not 吓. 笑, to laugh. 笑死我了 means I'm laughing so hard I'm gonna die. 笑死我了. And 气死我了. 气, to get mad or angry. 气死我了. I'm so mad I'm gonna die. And 累死我了. 累 means to get tired. 累死我了. I'm so tired I'm gonna die. Now let's do a quick review. Between 什么 and 天哪, which one is more close to the English expression, oh my gosh? 天哪, 天哪. And between the expression 不会吧 and 真的吗, which one implies excitement? 真的吗? 真的吗? Between 讨厌 and 烦死了, which one is more used by girls and could mean the very opposite? 讨厌 讨厌. Okay, between 笑死我了 and 吓死我了, which one would you use when a wild cat jumps on you from nowhere while you're walking alone at night? 吓死我了，吓死我了. Want to learn Chinese fast? Get cheat sheets for all kinds of topics, travel, hobbies, love, and much more. And you will learn all of the must-know words and phrases for each. So click the link in the lesson description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get them. This is the end of this lesson. If you know other interjections or examples you find interesting, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 再见.